Welcome back to the Next Gen Car channel. What happens when luxury meets extreme power in a car that looks like it came straight out of the future? Meet the 2026 Tesla Model S, a sedan that doesn't just play the electric game, it rewrites the entire rulebook. With a brand new futuristic design, mind-bending acceleration, and an interior that feels like a tech lounge, Tesla is aiming to prove once again that they're not just ahead of the curve. They are the curve. But the question is, does the 2026 Model S still deserve the crown as the king of EFI sedans? Let's take a deep dive. Before we jump into this futuristic beast, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video with your car-loving friends. We're covering all the hottest 2026 releases from BMW to Mercedes, Cadillac, Lexus, and beyond. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. The front of the 2026 Tesla Model S is a masterclass in futuristic minimalism. Unlike traditional luxury sedans that still hold on to some form of grille, Tesla has gone all in with a smooth, aerodynamic face. The grille area is completely closed off, making the car look like it's gliding even when parked. The headlights are razor-thin LED units, integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, giving it a predator-like stare. Tesla has added a subtle LED strip that connects the headlights, creating a visual signature that's instantly recognizable at night. The lower bumper features aerodynamic scoops, designed not for show, but for efficiency, cooling the brakes and improving airflow. Overall, the front isn't just about style, it's about efficiency and futuristic elegance, a design that screams EV dominance. Moving to the side, this is where the 2026 Tesla Model S transforms from a sedan into something resembling a grand tourer coupe. The roofline is more sculpted, flowing gracefully from the windshield all the way to the rear, giving it a sporty fastback silhouette. Tesla's signature flush door handles make a return, popping out only when needed, preserving the car's clean, wind-cheating lines. The body panels are sculpted with muscular curves around the fenders, showing both elegance and aggression. And then there are the wheel's giant, aero-optimized rims, available up to 22 inches, not just for looks, but also to reduce drag. They're wrapped in low-resistance performance tires, giving this EV a perfect balance of range and grip. From this angle, the Model S looks sleek, athletic, and futuristic, like a luxury spaceship designed to cut through air at high speed. At the rear, Tesla has stepped up its design language to match the futuristic front. The continuous LED light bar stretches seamlessly across the width of the car, housing ultra-sharp taillights that create a futuristic glow when illuminated. The bumper has been redesigned with diffuser-like elements, giving the car an aggressive stance while also improving aerodynamics. Unlike many EVs that hide their sporty intent, the Model S flaunts it with wide haunches and a low, planted rear end. Even the Tesla logo at the back is illuminated, reinforcing its premium futuristic aura. The entire rear looks clean, purposeful, and undeniably bold, ensuring that when you drive away, the world knows you're in something extraordinary.
Step inside and you're not entering a car, you're stepping into the future of luxury cabins. The dashboard is dominated by a massive 17-inch vertical infotainment screen, but Tesla has taken it further. In the 2026 version, a holographic projection system extends critical driving info into the driver's line of sight, making the cabin feel like a mix of luxury lounge and spacecraft. Materials have been significantly upgraded. Expect premium quilted leather, sustainable vegan options, and real wood or carbon fiber trims. The ambient lighting is customizable, wrapping the cabin in futuristic tones that adapt to driving modes. The steering wheel has evolved. It's no longer the controversial yoke, but a refined, flat-bottomed wheel with integrated haptic feedback controls. Behind it, a digital instrument cluster provides clean, customizable readouts. For rear passengers, Tesla offers generous legroom, premium seating with massage functions, and dual entertainment screens, turning the back seat into a mobile luxury lounge. Now here's where Tesla flexes its muscles. The 2026 Model S comes in multiple configurations, with the Plaid Plus sitting at the top. Dual-motor AWD version, balanced performance with blistering acceleration. Tri-motor Plaid Plus version, an absolute beast with 1,200 plus horsepower. The Plaid Plus can reportedly hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds, making it one of the fastest production sedans ever. Top speed? Around 220 miles per hour. Range? Tesla claims over 500 miles on a single charge thanks to new solid-state battery tech. And of course, it comes loaded with the latest version of autopilot and full self-driving, offering more autonomous capability than ever before. Now let's talk money. The 2026 Tesla Model S starts at around $95,000, with higher trims pushing well past $140,000. Yes, that's a hefty price tag, but when you consider you're getting a sedan that rivals supercars in acceleration, competes with luxury marques like Mercedes and BMW in comfort, and delivers futuristic tech that no one else can match, it starts to make sense. Tesla has positioned the Model S not just as a luxury EV, but as the benchmark for the future of performance sedans. So, here's the big question. Is the 2026 Tesla Model S worth it? If you want extreme power, futuristic design, groundbreaking technology, and an electric range that makes road trips effortless, this is the EV to beat. Tesla has redefined what's possible in a sedan. But would you pick the 2026 Model S over rivals like the Mercedes EQS, BMW i7, or Lucid Air Sapphire? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I want to hear what you think. And remember, if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our deep dives into the world's most exciting future cars.